If you love crispy, flaky, and perfectly layered parathas, then this recipe is just for you. Let's make restaurant-style crispy layered paratha at home with just a few simple ingredients. So, let's begin. First, in a bowl, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, and 150 ml water. Mix well. Now gradually add 1½ cup of flour and start kneading to make a soft, smooth dough. Crispy paratha is a favorite street food across South Asia, and every region has its own twist. In some places they add eggs, while others love a spicy stuffing. Rub some oil over the dough, cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. This helps make the parathas extra soft. Now divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Take one portion and roll it out thinly. Always let the dough rest. This makes the paratha soft inside while keeping it crispy outside. Roll out all the pieces and keep them aside. Layered paratha is also known as Laccha Paratha in India and Pakistan, and Roti Kanai in Malaysia. Same technique, different flavors. If you ever visit Bangladesh, you will see this crispy paratha being served with dal, meat curry, or even a simple cup of tea for breakfast. Now, to get the perfect crispy layering, spread ghee evenly over one roti and cover it with another one. Repeat this process for the remaining dough. Don't skip the ghee layering. It's the secret to creating those beautiful crispy layers. Want an extra flaky texture? After rolling, fold and roll again for even more layers. Now roll it up tightly and cut into 4 pieces. Paratha lovers, hit the like button. Let's see how many crispy paratha fans are here. Take each piece, fold as shown, and gently roll it out to shape the paratha. What's your favorite way to eat paratha? With curry, chutney, or just plain? Drop your answer below. Should we try a stuffed version next time? Comment yes if you want a stuffed crispy paratha recipe. Have you ever tried making layered paratha at home? Rate your skills from 1 to 10. Fry on medium heat for the best result. Too high will burn the paratha, too low will make it soggy. For restaurant-style crispiness, add a little milk while kneading the dough. It makes the layers softer and richer. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat and place the rolled paratha in it. Cook on medium heat and flip when one side turns golden brown. Fry both sides until you get that crispy golden perfection. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Enuven Cake and Cookies for more delicious recipes. Your crispy layered paratha is ready. Serve it hot with your favorite curry or chutney. Look at those beautiful layers. Can you hear that crunch? So crispy and flaky. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!